Run! I have the answer you seek. This is the Aether Staff. It is the only weapon that can close the rift.
You must come at dawn.
I will be on time. We'll save it together.
Why save the world when you can rule it?
You must reach the mountain. Raise it high. You will kill them all.
We will never stop. Either we all die, or we kill them all. I cannot believe that's done. Follow Zadronic on YouTube.